For this video, we're working on the sheet called Sort by Colour. Excel gives us the ability to sort by colour, either by fill colour or by font colour. We're going to look at sorting by fill colour. This data that we're working with shows used car sales, and we can see that colour is used to show how many owners a car has had. A mustard colour is used to show one previous owner. Pink shows 2 previous owners. Blue shows 3 previous owners. And yellow shows 4 previous owners. We're going to sort the data to reflect the owners. So one previous owner, or the mustard colour, will be the first sort, and 4 previous owners, or the yellow colour, will be the last sort. By the way, notice that the column headings of our data in row 4 are also coloured. But because the text is bold, centred and white, in other words it's formatted differently to the rest of the table, Excel will know that these are headings and won't try and include them in the sort. Click on any cell in the dataset, click on the Sort and Filter button and select Custom Sort. Click the Sort by down arrow, and it actually doesn't matter which field we choose to sort by, as they all have colour in them. However, I'm selecting Car Model, simply because it's the first field in the list. Now, we don't want to sort by the values in the Car Model field, so click the down arrow of the Sort On box and select Cell Colour. Once we do that, the last box will change from the choices A to Z and Z to A to show the colours that are contained in that field. Click the Order down arrow and select the mustard colour. We can see there is an extra drop down on top that can be changed to on bottom, but it really doesn't come into play, so we'll leave it at the default on top. Now, rather than repeat that again for each colour, click the Copy Level button once, twice, 3 times. Then all we have to do is select pink for the second level, blue for the third level, and yellow for the 4th level. We don't need to change that last box for any of them. Excel can see the order that we're putting these into, so we can go ahead and click OK. And if we scroll down through the data, we'll see that it has been sorted in the correct colour order. In the next video, we'll look at how we can create our own choice of sort. If you're moving on to that next video called Create a Custom Sort, then you can keep this workbook open.